Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually create your Zoho mail account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply just dive into our video now. So if you want to do that, you will have to go to your phone browser first. For example, I am here in my phone browser, search in accounts.zoho.com or mail.zoho.com. You can search in, then you can see this sign in options given, right? So simply I will say this: don't have a Zoho account, sign up now. I will simply tap on the sign up now option right there. Here you can see you can simply add in your first name, your last name given there, your email address that you want to add, and create a password. So as you can see in this email, I already have an account existing. So right, you make sure you add an email that do not have account in Zoho Mail. Then you will type you choose your country, and you will tap on this I agree to the terms of service and privacy policies of Zoho Corporation, and tap on sign up option, and you will simply be able to sign in. And the other thing that you can do, you have other option, like you can simply go ahead and make account from your Google, you can make it from Facebook. If I tap on this, if you're in your iOS, simply tap on this Apple icon over there. So if I tap on this Google account, I can see this is my email address, right? So I will tap on my email address, and you can see it loading, and you can see right here I am simply logged in with my account over here. So if you have an Facebook and Gmail option right there, you can simply tap on them, and then you can simply create an account with whatever information you have in your Gmail or in your Facebook. Otherwise, as I showed you, tap in information individually and get logged in as well. So yes guys, this is how you can simply create your Zoho mail. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I will see you guys next time.